Most people get this wrong when their Steam gift card doesn't work, and they assume the code is broken or already used when the real issue is usually a small mistake in redemption. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most Steam code errors are fixable in minutes if you know what to check first. In this video, you'll learn how to fix a Steam gift card code not working in 2026, step by step, ... And by the end, you'll know exactly how to identify the issue and redeem your balance successfully. Let's get straight into it. First, open Steam on your computer or mobile browser and log in to your account. This is important because many users accidentally try redeeming codes while logged into the wrong account. Now go to the Games menu at the top and click on Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This is where you enter your gift card or digital code. Now here's where most people make a mistake. They type the code quickly without checking characters carefully. Steam codes are case sensitive and often include similar looking letters and numbers like O and 0 or I and 1. So retype the code slowly and carefully. This alone fixes a large number of errors. But here's the problem. If the code still doesn't work, the issue is usually something else. Let's break it down step by step. First, check if the code has already been used. If Alex bought a second-hand card or received it from a friend, there is a chance it was redeemed earlier. Steam will show a message if the code is already activated. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes, the problem is region mismatch. Steam gift cards are often locked to specific countries. For example, a card purchased in the US may not work on an account registered in India. So always check if your region matches the card's currency. Next, make sure your Steam account is not limited. New accounts sometimes need basic verification or purchase history before redeeming certain wallet codes. Now here's a retention moment you should not miss. If the code still fails, try redeeming it through the Steam website instead of the app. Go directly to the Steam Wallet redemption page in a browser. Many users report that codes work there, even when the app shows errors. But here's another important detail. Avoid copying the code with extra spaces. This is a small mistake, but it causes invalid code errors more often than you think. Always paste carefully and remove any hidden spaces. Now let's talk about network issues, because this surprises a lot of users. If your internet connection is unstable, Steam may fail to validate the code. In that case, switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and try again. Now here's a real-world example. Jake once tried redeeming a code multiple times and kept getting errors. The issue was not the card. It was a region mismatch combined with a small typing error. Once corrected, the code worked instantly. If nothing works, the final step is to contact Steam support. Go to the official Steam support page and submit a ticket with proof of purchase or a photo of the card. They can verify if the code is valid or already used. Now let's quickly summarize everything. Check for typing mistakes. Verify region compatibility. Confirm the code is unused. Try browser redemption. Remove extra spaces, and ensure stable internet. If all else fails, contact Steam support again. If you follow these steps carefully, you can fix almost any Steam gift card issue without stress or confusion. Now you know exactly how to fix Steam gift card code not working in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who is stuck, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this.